Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. We're going to talk about finding the value of functions. Remember, a function is f of x, also known as y. So this is like saying the function of x is equal to this 2x minus 6, or the function of g is equal to x minus 2x squared. So if I'm going to find f of 2, I'm putting in 2 for which variable? I'm putting the 2 in for x, okay? So I'm going to put it in here. So what I'm going to come up with is I'm going to write this as 2 times, this is x. X is equal to 2. Okay, remember that. So we're going to put in 2 times 2 minus 6. 2 times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 6 is equal to, not a positive 2, but it's actually a negative 2. Because a small number minus a big number is a negative result. Let's take a look at this one, g of negative 1/3. Now, g is not this function, g is this function. So I'm going to put in negative 1/3 in for x here. So this is going to be right over here, x minus 2x squared, okay? I'll put in for x, negative 1/3 minus 2 times negative 1/3 squared, okay? So now I have a negative 1/3 here minus 2. I'm going to do the exponents first. Negative 1/3 to the second power is negative 1/3 times negative 1/3. A negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is 2 times 1/9. Now we kind of know how to multiply this out. 2 times 1, 1 times 9. 2 times 1 is negative 2, so it's equal to a negative 1/3 minus 2 all over 1 times 9, which is 9. Now I need a common denominator. What's the common denominator between 3 and 9? Well, that's a number that they both go into, and that would be 9. So 1/3 is equal to how many ninths? 3 times what gives you 9? 3 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So this is 3/9. Now, negative 3 minus 2, the denominators are the same. So negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5 over 9. And that's your answer. Okay, so this part we substitute in, and then we just evaluate it. So now, what if I have f of h minus 2? I'm going to put this h minus 2 right in here for x, right? I'm going to put that right in there. So I'm going to do this equal to 2. What is x? X is equal to h minus 2, okay? Minus 6. Now I know that can be a little bit confusing, but whatever's in here is going to be your x value. Whatever's in here is going to be your x value, okay? And that's what you're going to put in for x. So I'm going to distribute here. 2 times h, 2 times 2. 2 times h is 2h minus 2 times 2, which is 4 minus 6. Now, this is not like these two, so that goes out here, okay? That's by itself. Minus 4 minus 6. If I spend $4, I spend $6. I've spent $10, so minus 10. So this is your answer, 2h minus 10. And that's finding the value of functions by putting in numbers, or in this case, by putting in an algebraic expression.